So today I'm going to show you how to use an inhaler. So this is an inhaler. Inside the inhaler here is one of these wicks which has essential oil on it. So you just unscrew it and you go. And if your nose is blocked, you can just go. Or you can just do all three anytime. This is so easy to carry. It's light, it's portable, so you can just chuck it in your handbag, doesn't take much space, and it can't be broken. So you can just carry it in your handbag without the risk of breaking and having a spill. So please introduce a inhaler in your life. It's very reasonably priced and it's such an easy way to incorporate essential oils in your body.